Hello, this is Casey. You'll find me at CaseyRigney.com. That's KACIRIGNEY.com. And this is your 2-minute tip for Tuesday. All right, so I'm just going to move this over a little bit and we can see 4, half of 4 is 2, half of 2 is 1, half of 1 is half. Okay, so let's just say this is 4, this is 2, this is 1, and one of these is half of 1. It takes 2 eighth notes to equal 1 quarter note. It takes 2 quarter notes to equal 1 half note. It takes 2 half notes to equal 1 whole note. All right, so if you're in 4/4 time, these are the amount of beats per note that you're going to see. So this would be 4 beats, a whole note. Half note would be 2 beats. A quarter note would be 1 beat, and an eighth note would be half a beat. Okay, so that is if you are in 4/4 time or common time. Same thing. So the bottom number is what we're talking about. The bottom number of the time signature tells you what kind of note is going to get 1 beat. So this one says it's going to be a quarter note. The 4 on the bottom means a quarter. Okay, so quarter note's going to get 1 beat. And they're exactly what you would imagine they would be, the same that we looked at above. All right, so what happens if we change the time signature? Well, let's do that. We're going to change the time signature to 2/2 time. So now the bottom number tells you what kind of note is going to get 1 beat. So this is telling us that a half note is going to get 1 beat now. So if we move over to our notes over here to find the equivalents, we get the whole note now gets 2 beats, a half note gets 1 beat, a quarter note gets a half a beat, and a eighth note gets a quarter of a beat. Okay, so what happens if we go to 6/8 time? 6/8 time tells us now that an eighth note gets 1 beat. Again, we're looking at the bottom number that tells us what kind of note gets 1 beat. So the quarter note is not going to get 1 beat here. It's going to be the eighth note. The eighth note gets 1 beat. So look over here. We don't even use the whole note or the half note, but we are going to be using a lot of eighth notes and a lot of quarter notes. So the eighth note here is getting 1 beat and a quarter note is getting 2 beats. And if you add a dot to the quarter note, you're going to get 3 beats. And you see that a lot in 6/8 time. Okay, so your 2-minute tip ended up being 3, but there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to address them. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching.